How you can get fast page 1 rankings. If you want to get more traffic, more sales and more rankings without doing any of the work yourself, then you're in the right place. Thousands of real members located all over the world, sharing your content on their social platforms. Without you doing any of the work, besides submitting the URL you want to get traffic for. The easiest platform for getting traffic and generating profit. Without doing any of the boring, grunt work yourself, SyndBuddy is the best and only platform for getting real social shares. From real people, located all over the world 100% automatically. 100% done for you social syndication from real people, located all over the world. So you do not have to do any of the work yourself. This is the best way to get rankings fast and for the long term without worrying about being penalized. 100% white hat. No software to download or learn. The only thing you have to do is create your campaign and input your URL and keywords. No Captchas or proxies to deal with, so you save even more money while still getting a ton of results. New in 2.0, auto share feature, so you're guaranteed to get hundreds of real social shares per campaign 100% hands-free. New in 2.0, automated content generation, so you can submit any URL to the sharing pool in 60 seconds or less. Limited bonus, agency license to get rankings for your clients as well. With SyndBuddy, you can submit any URL. It can be a video, a niche site, an Amazon page, a client site, a client Google local listing URL, an e-commerce store, anything. It's 100% done for you, so zero work is required on your part once you submit the URL you want traffic for. Our army will get to work for you ASAP. You can supply the content if you'd like that will go along with your campaigns into the sharing pool. This is 100% optional. You can let our system generate the content for your campaigns for you in a matter of a few mouse clicks, so you can create new campaigns in 60 seconds or less. Within minutes of getting access, our army will get you. Real social bookmarks. Real web 2.0 syndication. Real video embeds. Real Twitter tweets. Real Facebook likes and shares. Real video views. Step-by-step training. World-class customer support. Full reporting of your campaigns. Weekly email updates of your syndications. Limited time, no monthly fees. Agency license. Plus 6 bonuses. You'll have full access to your syndication report once it's been completed. And much more. Getting other people to share your content all over social sites is a massive advantage above all other forms of syndication. And you want to know the best part? We've simplified the entire process for you to get targeted traffic to any content you'd like into 3 simple steps. Getting free traffic from Google and YouTube is the best kind of traffic you can ever get, ever. Frequently asked questions. Does this work on Mac and PC? Yes. This is a web-based app, so as long as you have a web browser and internet connection, you can use SyndBuddy regardless of your type of computer. Is this a one-time price or monthly? For the packages above, you're paying a one-time for the amount of credits of the package you choose. You also have the ability to earn more credits by performing the social actions on other members' content. Do I need proxies or Captchas? No. We pride ourselves on building software tools that deliver results without having to use any additional proxies or Captchas. Are there any additional costs after I purchase SyndBuddy? Absolutely not. Unless you want to purchase more credits, there are no other costs associated with SyndBuddy. Plus, all the sites we integrate with are free to register with. Do my credits expire? Yes and no. We want a community of active users with people adding content to the network. So if you're adding content, you're safe. If you're not adding content or have no active content to be shared and are just hoarding credits, your credits will expire after 45 days. How many sites is SyndBuddy integrated with? We have over 30 plus sites that are able to be used inside SyndBuddy. This includes all the major ones like Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Tumblr, WordPress.com, WordPress.org, Blogger, LiveJournal, LinkedIn, Plurk, Skyrock, and many more.